CPT JJ-CPV Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines, page 5, section 5. We are continuing with the definition of concurrent care and transfer of care. And we're focusing right now in transfer of care. So the physician or other qualified health professional transferring care
is then no longer providing care for these problems, though he or she may continue providing care for other conditions when appropriate.
So the particular problem that we are looking at or we're coding is not being taken care of by the first physician, by other physician. But the first physician could be still providing care for other problems, okay? So there's one of the graphs for transfer of care there from the hospital to rehabilitation center or to skilled nursing facility and even to home then, right? So that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, the code is CPT JJ-RVA-250, page 250, problem 24, and this is a level 1 exercise, and its title is
Non-human graft wound closure.
Non-human graft or xenograft, right? Xeno is non-human and wound closure, right? And then the problem reads
surgery integumentary system, non-human graft for temporary wound closure.
Okay, the patient has
a 5 centimeter defect on the scalp.
On the scalp. Okay, so that's important to remember the size of the wound, right? Okay, now we're going to count to 3 so you can stop the video and give us a CPT code for this problem. 1, 2, 3. All right, the answer is 15275. Did you get that? 15275. If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. The first tip is
start with scalp.
Start with the anatomical section. All right, don't go to the procedure, but to the part of the body where the procedure is done, which is the scalp, and from there you can continue. All right. Now, if you want to understand a little bit more about the procedure, we have chosen 3 videos that you can look to get an idea of what is it that we're talking about. The wound closure and xenograft, right? Xenograft meaning the graft from the source that it is not your own and is not human, right? All right, so go to the tips and watch the videos, and then you know the answer too. The answer is the answer is 15275. You have all this information. Now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path how we got to the problem. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the summary of the whole problem. This is the surgery section of the CPT manual. It's an integumentary system, non-human graft for temporary wound closure. The patient has a 5 centimeter defect on the scalp. Right? So there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to scalp.
You start with the section of the body, of the organ of the body where the wound is, which is the scalp. And then
skin graft.
Skin graft. Integumentary is skin. So that's why you don't go to integumentary graft, but go to skin graft, which is the same thing. And then
skin substitute.
Skin substitute, which means that it's not real skin, human skin, but it could be the skin of an animal or a synthetic skin, right? That's what non-human graft is, skin substitute, right? And so we have a range, right?
Right. 15275 through 15278.
So from 75 to 78, right? Now we're going to go to the tabular to see which one of these is the one we need. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
You start with the code 15275.
You start with the first one from the range that you got in from the index. And what does it say?
Application of skin substitute graft to face, scalp, and so on and so forth. First, 25 square centimeters or less wound surface area.
So we have 5, right? And it says first 25 or less, which is exactly what we need. But just by curiosity, let's look at the other ones. What's 76?
15 to 76 is same thing, but it's each additional.
Each additional something was even more than that. We don't have more. We only have 5. And what about 277?
15 to 77 is the same thing, but with 1% body area of infants and children.
And we don't have that on our problem. And 78 is?
78 is the same thing for the infants and children, and it's each additional.
Each additional. So what we do is the first one is the one that we needed. So we go back to the first one, 15 to 75, and that is our answer, right? Application of skin substitute graft to face or to scalp in this case, and it's 5 square centimeters, which is our problem. So that's why the answer is 15 to 75. And that's why we have an equal sign at the end, which means that that is our code. So the answer is 15 to 75. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Yeah, just clicking the subscribe button, you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget to visit our website and to subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.